Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be staging my dining room because we're moving. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Keisha J. Yes, we're moving, a military relocation. I need to get in there and pack everything up. Well, I'm not going to pack everything. I'm just going to take everything out, like all of the decor, and then I'll pack that stuff up later because I do want to pack all of my decor up at one time. And I'm still trying to sell some stuff. So if you're interested in buying home decor, you can check out my Poshmark closet because that's where I'm selling it. And here are some of the new items I'm going to be listing in my closet. I did already sell a ton of stuff, so that was pretty exciting. But yeah, these are some of my new pieces that I decided to go ahead and sell. And I have to give Poshmark a really big thanks for sponsoring this portion of today's video. You guys know I love working with Poshmark and selling stuff, clothes, home decor now, because you can sell home decor on the app now. So yeah, and I showed you guys these in a previous video. I said I wasn't going to sell them because they had some damage on the base, but a lot of you guys said to list it anyways because you would still buy it, because I mean, you can always just turn it this way and not really see much of the damage. So I decided to go ahead and list it. But yeah, and let me show you guys exactly how to get to my closet in case the link takes you to the main page for the app. Now when you go to the top, there's going to be a person next to the search that you have to click on to find users. The search on the main screen is for products being sold. You have to click on the person next to that search bar to get to the users search. So you click on this person and it'll bring up another search bar. That's the search you're going to use to find people on Poshmark. But I'm going to keep posting items on my Poshmark because it's just so much better to me than some of these other apps, you know, where you can sell your items at. It's just so much better because you don't have to meet up with anyone. You just mail off the product. So click the link in the description box, guys, to download the Poshmark app and start your own closet. Don't forget to follow me as well so you're always notified whenever I post new items. All right, so this is the dining room. I don't have a lot to do in here. I just need to take all of this decor out and, you know, get this stuff off of the walls. I'm gonna leave the mirror up. I'm gonna use that for staging. I think it looks really nice, but I don't need to have all of this stuff on the wall. And then I have my bar carts. I will be packing them away because I don't feel like I need them for staging. So yeah, I'm gonna pack away the bar carts. So all of my nice mirrored switch plates I will be removing and packing those away as well. They're coming with me, and I'm just gonna put the like basic ones back up here. I'm definitely not gonna go out and buy like pretty and fancy looking switch plates. Like, no, that's unnecessary. Most people don't come in your house and, you know, care about your switch plates. So I'm just gonna put the basic ones back and yeah, pack the other ones away. And then I just have stuff just sitting around. This was upstairs. The art was upstairs. I don't know if I'm going to be using these for staging though. I'm going to go ahead and shut up now. I've been talking more than enough and I'm going to get started. So enjoy the music and enjoy watching.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee.
Alright, so I know I said I wasn't going to be doing any packing in this video, but I changed my mind. I want to just go ahead and pack up my glassware. I don't want to put it in the family room and then have to, you know, go back and pack this up. I'm just going to do it now since it is glassware and I know for a fact I'm not going to be using it to stage the house, I have this box here, a ton of them. My husband went and picked up some of these boxes from the liquor store, and I wanted to get my hands on some because they already come with the dividers and they're pretty thick boxes. You know, it's nothing like thin that can easily be damaged. So yeah, they are really thick. And I just love that they have the dividers, and I'm gonna use this for my decor as well, like all of my like crystal decor or any candlesticks, stuff that I don't want to break. So I'm almost done in here. I just need to you know, vacuum the floor, make sure the baseboards are good to go, no dust or anything. I need to mop as well, and just, you know, get the bar carts and stuff out of here, and then I can just start staging. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the glassware first, and then we can finish up.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with
Alright guys, so I am done, and it's been a few days actually. I was waiting for curtains to arrive. I wanted to switch out my navy blue and do sheer curtains. These are a semi-sheer, but I definitely wanted to have white curtains hanging in here just to make the space feel light and bright, very airy. And I decided to keep it pretty simple and remove a lot of the glam from the space. I didn't want it to be personalized and just like over glamorous. You guys know I love my glam, but when it comes to staging, I want to appeal to all kinds of buyers, you know, all kinds of styles. So I just, you know, tried to do a very simple look and remove a lot of the glamorous pieces. I do have some mirrored pieces in here, but still I feel like it's not over the top as far as glam goes. But I'm just gonna go around the room and, you know, show you everything, tell you where items are from. Starting off with this bench, so I decided to put this one in here because I wanted to, you know, have it very neutral and still have a pop of color. So you see the blue with the table decor and the art, just bringing in a pop of that color but still having the space pretty neutral. And I found this at Kirkland's a really long time ago. It's been about 8 years, and I did change out the fabric, and this is from Joann's, and it's this really pretty crushed velvet. It looks really good with the chairs, blends really well. I didn't want to reupholster my navy blue bench that I had in here, so I just put this one in here instead. I had this one in storage. I really wasn't using it so I just decided to, you know, bring it in here. And the table is from Pier 1, and I did paint the legs. The original color was a like espresso kind of color, and I just didn't like it so I went ahead and painted the legs because I wanted the legs on my table and my dining room chairs to match. So I went ahead and did that. But yeah, the chairs are from Amazon. Really nice. Love those. All of my Amazon finds will be in one link, and it'll take you to my Amazon storefront, and you can find all of my Amazon purchases there. Makes it so much easier to find stuff. But yeah, like I said, I will have links for just about everything. The table decor, these orchids are from Kirkland's. I purchased them a really long time ago, like, ooh, what, 10 years ago probably. I've had them for such a long time and I still love them. And over here I have this cabinet. This is from Kirkland's as well, and I did change out the knobs. Those are from Home Goods, and I just used some decor that I had around the house. I didn't want to go out and buy any new decor to stage this place because you guys know I have a ton of decor already and I'm just trying to sell stuff as it is. So I just decided to put some candlesticks up here, you know, add something on top of the cabinet, but not do too much. I think this is fine. I mean, to be honest with you, I could probably skip the candlesticks, but I'm just gonna leave them here for now. And I just have some LED candles. The candlesticks are from Tuesday Morning. And I just have some books here in this vase that I got from Ross. And I just put some succulents from Dollar Tree inside. And then this mirror, this is from Home Goods. So pretty. I really love that aged mirrored look. The frame is like this aged mirrored look and it's so nice. Love that. And let's see, so over here I have this wall art. This was in the family room, but I decided to, you know, bring it in here because it has like the same colors as this vase, the different shades of blue. It matches really well, so decided to go ahead and, you know, use this one in here. This plant is from QVC. Yeah, it's from QVC, and the planter is from Ross. My floors are from Lowe's. These are the Pergo Max Premier, and this style is Silver Mist Oak. Really pretty, and I did have them do the install as well. And the chandelier is from Overstock. You can also find it on Amazon as well. I do have both links in the description box. And that's pretty much it for this room. I am done staging it. I think it's good enough. I feel like any buyer can come in here and, you know, like what they see. I have a ton more to do when it comes down to staging this house and just getting these rooms in order. I'm gonna do the living room. Maybe that'll be my next video, but I'm gonna do the living room and I have to do the family room, which is a hot mess. I'll show you guys in a second, give you like a sneak peek of the family room because I have a ton to do in there. But I am done with this space, so now I have 2 rooms staged and a ton more to go. But I hope you enjoyed watching. Oh wait, let's not end the video yet. Let me show you the family room. All right, so this is what my family room is looking like. So much stuff to do in here. I have to go through all of this stuff. I was gonna put that table that I had in the dining room behind this sofa, but I have to clear all of this out first. So I just have it sitting over here, just in the hallway. But yeah, there's a lot. I'm trying to decide on the pillows that I want to keep, or you know, if I'm gonna be getting rid of any. I love pillows, so I like to like switch them up and stuff, but I just need to go through all of this stuff, all of my decor. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a like. It helps me out so much. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you'll do so. That'll be so awesome. And don't forget to check out Poshmark, guys. Click the link in the description box to download the app and start your own closet as well. If you have items you're trying to you know, get rid of, if you're purging, and definitely do it with Poshmark. I'm selling fashion and home decor. I have a lot of purging to do, so I need to be listing more items. But yeah, I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.